Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist here. Just really focus on capturing that crazy expression. I am at 2.5 times the speed here, and I'm voicing over and just kind of mapping in kitties' shapes really quickly and roughly. I usually end up liking my quick sketches that I do for my tutorials better than the drawings I fuss over too much, because I get them done quickly, and that really adds to the expression. I don't have time to stop and think about if it's perfect or not. And there's no such thing as perfection in the arts anyways. It's about self-expression, an interpretation of your subject. In this case, a beautiful orange, probably Maine Coonish type kitty. Kind of looks like that mid-groom. I know my shanty sits in some weird positions in the middle of her grooming. You'll see me end up fixing this mouth and no, yeah, there we go. Okay, it was sooner than I thought. Just wasn't quite happy with the shape of the mouth. I think I fix it again later too. It's all about learning. That's the thing. If things don't look right, then think about what might be wrong with them and fix them. You gotta trust yourself. There's no one right way to do it. It's art. I like the expression I got now. Just suggestions of hair here and there. I know people that try to draw every hair. That would drive me nuts. It's a cat. We know it has hair, and we got the shape of the hairdo more than anything. And I love toe beans. This paw was a little bit hard to see in the photo, so I just kind of went by what I know and put a suggestion of toe lines and toe beans in there. We're going to speed up to 4 times the speed pretty quick here too, so finish this drawing up. Here we go. I kind of like the eyes before I overfussed with them a little. But it's all part of the learning process. That's why my best piece of work is always my next one. Here's where I fix the face again. Yeah, I do like that better. I don't know though, the way it was before probably looked like the original cat more, but I'm not worried about that because I just want to let my cats be what they become. And we're going to speed up even more here quick. 6 times the speed now. A little smirk, but I didn't like the smirk because it took away from that startled look, so I kind of tried to get rid of that smirk. A slight change in a line makes a huge difference. Thank you so much for watching.